Hey, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and I'm here today with guest Jay Bentley from Gtechniq Marine, and we wanted to review the Gtechniq Rinse On Ceramic. It's literally something that you rinse on the boat and rinse off, unlike other traditional products in that same category that you have to spray on and rinse off. You no longer need this little guy. Instead, all you have to do is utilize this kit and or this refill. Either way, we'll have Jay explain to you the benefits and how to.
But I really wanted that.
Well, it's too bad because now you have this.
That's right. It's much easier. All right, so within this kit, this is a 500 milliliter one bottle kit. You have your spray head. You have a hose connect and quick connect. And then there's also a feed tube. So this will attach to the bottle here. And then this side will attach to the hose, screw it on there. You have a quick connect, just like that. And so from here, this is all you need to really get started. You have this knob here is going to be your water flow. So it's pretty easy as far as twisting that way. This is the water flow here. And then you have the black knob is your product flow. So your feed tube from the bottle out that way feeds it into the water flow.
It's all directional with that knob, which I like.
It is, and it's proportional. I call it a rheostat, but you control the flow of the product by the armature of that knob there. And then when it's fully off, which is in the back position, then you have your water flow from here. So you can still use this for your general wash and rinse, but after you've washed the boat is when you want to apply the rinse on ceramic. So after you've washed the boat, you have the bottle attached to that, turn this on, and again, you can vary the flow of it. And we typically like to see midpoint, and for like a 21 to 23 foot boat, you can use one bottle and you get really good, sufficient coverage on that. The cool thing about rinse on is it's good for all surfaces on the boat.
Nice.
So top to bottom, inside, outside, maybe not inside a cabin, but all of your vinyls on the inside, your helm station. It's gentle enough on, say, the electronics on the dash to not affect those, but still give a little bit of protection there. And it is a true ceramic. So we will say that with this one, after you've washed the boat, you rinse this on, and then like you said, rinse it off, and you're good to go. You've got up to 3 months of protection on this.
Wow.
So it's another great entry point into ceramics for the boating world. It's also a really good maintenance item for the detailers that are out there maintaining boats that are coated now. It's a really good maintenance item for whenever you do your decontamination wash.
I'm sure this cuts down time dramatically.
Oh, big time, yep. And what's really cool is, so the detailers that have relationships with their local boat dealers, and the dealers are delivering their boats to the customers, this can be a post-service treatment or application, or it can be that pre-delivery inspection application when the owner's taking their new boat. So really, it eliminates the need for wax. It's a much more robust type protection than wax is. Again, up to 3 months, and it is there's enough concentration in there to be a true ceramic coating. This is the initial kit you need. So you have this from here on out, and when you're ready for your next one, just buy a refill, and easy peasy.
See, I like that it's super simple in regards to, especially the DIY aspect of it, whether, you know, the boat owner has somebody they pay to maintain their boat,
right,
or they're doing it themselves, or, you know, maybe it's the chore for the kids, right?
Exactly.
But the fact that they're able to get something like this with a garden hose, right? That's everywhere. Your backyard,
yeah,
your
exactly.
slip.
Yep.
Usually you have a garden hose spigot anywhere.
Right.
So being able to have that and have put it in anybody's hands almost, and just be able to go to town,
yeah,
and not have to worry about much other than it giving great protection.
Yeah.
That's super simple, and
Yeah,
it's forward thinking, because this is very innovative, the approach that Gtechniq took with this to simplify it.
The goal of it is ease. You want to make it easy for people to maintain and protect their boat. This does it. And you know, someone said hashtag save your trigger spray finger. Yeah, look, we'll run with that. I like that.
And that's the rundown on the Gtechniq Marine Rinse On Ceramic. For more information about Gtechniq Marine products, visit autogeek.com.